In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save ChatGPT conversations to Notion using a Chrome extension. We'll go through the whole process from installation to export so you can move useful conversations into Notion in a clean and organized way. This is especially helpful if you use ChatGPT for research, writing, brainstorming, or project planning and want to keep everything stored in one place for later reference. To begin, open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Once you're there, search for the ChatGPT to Notion extension shown in the video and install it. Make sure you're choosing the correct extension so your screen matches what you see here. After installation, the extension should appear in your browser's extensions area, and from there you can open it. When the extension opens, the next step is to connect your Notion account. This usually takes just a moment. As part of the connection process, Notion will ask you to authorize access. Be careful here and only allow access to the specific pages or databases you actually want to use. That gives you better control over where your exported conversations can go and helps keep your workspace organized and secure. Once the connection is complete, go to the ChatGPT conversation you want to save. Open the exact chat you'd like to export so the extension can detect the content properly. Then click the extension's Save or Export button. At this point, you'll usually be asked whether you want to save the full conversation or only selected responses. Choose the option that fits your needs. If the entire discussion is important, save the full conversation. If you only need certain answers, selected responses can help keep your Notion page more focused and easier to review later. Next, choose the destination page or database in Notion. This is where the conversation will be stored, so take a second to confirm you're sending it to the right place. Keeping a dedicated page or database for ChatGPT exports can make future searching and sorting much easier. After that, confirm the export. The extension will send the conversation to Notion, and in most cases, this only takes a few seconds. Once it's finished, open Notion and check that everything was saved correctly. Look over the page or database entry, confirm that the content appears as expected, and make sure nothing important is missing. And that's it. You've successfully exported a ChatGPT conversation to Notion. Once you do it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and can be a great way to build a searchable library of useful AI conversations inside your Notion workspace.